Good morning, children. In this class, we are going to be discussing about the next chapter. That is the first chapter in the organic chemistry. Organic chemistry, some basic principles and the techniques. This chapter we study basic principles related to the organic chemistry and techniques related to the organic chemistry. But techniques has removed from your syllabus in this year. Only in this year, the techniques has removed from your syllabus. We are going to be studying about that is some basic principles related to the organic chemistry. We know that is the element carbon has a unique property that we call as a catenation. Adu one unique property ide carbon ge adu catenation. Catenation andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೀವು previous classes alle andre lower classes alle study ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ 10th alle ಅಥವಾ 9th alle study ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. Catenation means the carbon having a capacity to form a bond with the other carbon atom, and also it's having the bond formation with that is the other elements like oxygen, nitrogen, then sulfur, phosphorus like this, and halogens like this. Means carbon jotene bond formation agutte, adar jotege matte it's going to be formed as the bonds with the other elements also. Bere elements jotenu bond formation agutte. Yav elements ade oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, then halogens andre chlorine, iodine, bromine, these are all halogens. Idar jote kuda bond formation agutte. Then is going to be this unique property irodrinda carbon ge catenation unique property irodrinda it is going to be form a vast number of compounds, and tumbane compounds form agutte. Due to that that's why we are studying as a separate branch of chemistry related to the carbon, separate branch of chemistry related to the carbon, that we call as a organic chemistry. Organic chemistry means it is a branch of chemistry which deals with the carbon compounds, that is carbon compounds. These organic compounds are vital for sustaining the life, that is sustaining life, like genetic materials, then proteins in the blood, muscles, skin and all. These are also the organic materials also present in the organic compounds also present in the that is materials like that is polymers, fibers. Then when it comes to that the medicines, dyes, etc. That's why we need to study about the organic chemistry, that is organic chemistry has a separate branch in the chemistry. Then in the year that is 1780, that is 1780 Lavoisier, the scientist, has differentiate the compounds. He is going to be differentiate the compounds. How to differentiate mada? That is the organic compounds which are obtained from the plants and animals. That is the compounds which obtained from the plants and animals is called as a organic compounds. Ade enanta helda plants inda matte animals inda obtained agiro products na enanta karida organic compounds anta karita. That he called as a organic compounds. Then later, that is next the compounds which are obtained from the minerals. That is the compounds which are obtained from the minerals is called as a inorganic compounds. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಒಪ್ಟೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಈ ಗಿವನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. In the 1800, it is in the year the 1800 in the 1800, Berzelius. This scientist, he says that is the vital force is necessary for the formation of organic compound. The vital force is very important to form an organic compound, but this statement is going to be rejected. When in the year that is the 1828, that is the Friedrich Wöhler. This scientist has proposed, this scientist is prepared the organic compound. He is going to prepare the organic compound from the inorganic compound. Inorganic compound na use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು organic compound na prepare ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಇವನು ಏನು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಬೆರ್ಜೆಲಿಯಸ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, that is the vital force is necessary for the formation of organic compound ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. But it was be rejected when it is going to be by preparing the urea by using the inorganic compound, that is ammonium cyanide. Ammonium cyanide na use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು in the year 1828 the Friedrich Wöhler has prepared the organic compound, that is urea. This you people are studied in the lower classes, I think. That is ammonium cyanide. What is the formula? NH4CnO. This ammonium cyanide. This ammonium cyanide on heating is going to be formed that is the it's going to be formed the urea, that is the NH2. This is about the urea. Is going to be prepared the compound, that is the heating of the ammonium cyanide. Wöhler prepared the first organic compound by using the inorganic compound, that is ammonium cyanide. That is inorganic compound na use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು organic compound na laboratory ಅಲ್ಲಿ first compound na prepare ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then after this other scientists like Kolbe, that is Kolbe has prepared that in the year 1845. In the year 1845, that is Kolbe, the scientist Kolbe has prepared the acetic acid in the laboratory. And in the 1856 Berthelot, that is Berthelot, the scientist has prepared the methane in the laboratory. Means this from this we came to know that the organic compound not only obtained from the plants and animals, it also we can be prepared in the laboratory also. Andre ee scientist ella yaru Friedrich Wöhler ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೋಲ್ಬೆ ಬ್ಯಾಥ್ಲೋಟ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸು ಬರೀ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. After this, they gave the statement of the organic chemistry. That is, the organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with that is carbon containing compounds. Later, this was not this statement. And the statement ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಬಟ್ some carbon containing compound shows the inorganic nature. Means like that is some compounds like that is the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, carbon disulfide, and calcium carbonate. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇವನ್ನು then ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ this also comes under the organic chemistry, but these compounds are inorganic compounds. Why it is because it shows the inorganic properties. That's why the statement again is going to be changed. A statement organic chemistry statement that is definition change ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಏನಂತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? The organic compounds are hydrocarbons ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Hydrocarbons ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? That is the carbon and the hydrogen. The compounds which contains the carbon and the hydrogen. Carbon ಮತ್ತೆ hydrogen ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is organic compounds ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. That is the organic chemistry definition ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? That is the branch of chemistry which deals with the hydrocarbon and its derivatives. ಯಾಕೆ derivatives ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? Because the most of the organic compounds along with the carbon and hydrogen, carbon ಮತ್ತೆ hydrogen ಜೊತೆಗೆ other elements like other elements ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? That is the oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogens. The X is nothing but halogen. X ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ halogen. Halogens ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಅಯೋಡಿನ್, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ halogens ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is also forms a bond with these elements. That is oxygen, nitrogen ಮತ್ತೆ halogen ಜೊತೆ phosphorus. Like these elements also forms these carbon also forms bonds with these elements. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ organic chemistry definition ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? It is a branch of chemistry which deals with the hydrocarbon and its derivatives. The statement of the organic chemistry is given by organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry deals with the hydrocarbons and its derivatives. This is about the statement of the organic chemistry. That is organic chemistry definition. Branch of chemistry which deals with the hydrocarbons and its derivatives. Then afterwards, this that is the development of this the electronic theory of covalent bonding. That is electronic theory of covalent bond formation. This theory, from this theory, it's going to be changes the shape of the organic chemistry. The next we'll discuss about the tetravalency of the carbon. That is the tetravalency of the carbon. This is about the introduction. Now we are going to be studying about the tetravalency of the carbon. When it comes to the tetravalency of the carbon, so carbon, tetravalency of the carbon, the atomic number of the carbon is 6. Atomic number of the carbon is 6. Atomic number ಎಷ್ಟು? carbon 6. Atomic number is number of carbon is 6. Atomic number of the carbon is 6. Then here the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Electronic configuration is ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು? That is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2p2. This is the outermost shell. This is the outermost shell. This in the ground state. We are going to be taken in the ground state of electronic configuration. Ground state alli electronic configuration ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, that is the 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz. Z alli empty irutte. At that time what happens in the excited state, ade excited state bandaga, excited state of electronic configuration, electron in the 2s level, that is the electron in the one electron from the 2s level, it's going to be jumps to the 2pz. It's going to be 2pz orbital. The electron from the 2s orbital is going to be excited to the, that is 2pz orbital. At that time the electronic configuration can be written as, that is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Means this is about the, this outermost shell, the electronic configuration of the excited state of the carbon contains the 4 valence electrons. This contains the 4 valence electron, means unpaired electron, 4 unpaired electron. Therefore the carbon having the tetravalency, the carbon having the tetravalency means the carbon is going to be form a bond with the other elements to attain a noble gas configuration. To form a 4 covalent bond formation agutte to attain a noble gas configuration. Example, yadaro one example tagona. We take the example methane. Already we know the molecular formula of the methane is, that is the CH4. Okay. Then at the center the carbon is going to be present. It's going to be 4 hydrogen atoms are there. Then that is 4 hydrogen atoms are there. The carbon having the tetravalency, therefore it can form a 4 bonds with the hydrogen atom, 4 covalent bonds with the hydrogen atom. This about the tetravalency of the carbon. Tetravalency ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? excited state ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ the electron 2s level ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ 2pz level ಗೆ electron excite ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. At that time it is going to be form a 4 valence electron. The 4 valence electrons ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The valency of the carbon is at that time 4. The valency is nothing but it is a combining capacity of that element with the other elements, that we call it as a valency. In this it is having the 4, means 4 unpaired electron in the valency of the carbon is 4. Then it can form a 4 covalent bonds with the other elements or with the carbons maybe sometime. This about the tetravalency of carbon. The next property we are going to be studying about the catenation. That is the catenation. We are going to be studying about the ಇನ್ನೊಂದು property that carbon, that is catenation. comes to the catenation, that is it is a tendency of an element to form a chain with the identical atoms is called as a catenation. Catenation andre that is a tendency of an element to form a chain with the identical elements, that we call it as a catenation. Means the carbon having this unique property, because the group 14 elements have especially we ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ group 14 elements ಅಲ್ಲಿ carbon having the more catenation property compared to the other elements like silicon, germanium compare ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ in this the strength is more, the carbon that is bond strength is more when compared to the bond between the silicon or germanium. In this it's going to be form a bond with the identical elements, like that it's going to be form a open chain, branch chain, then it's going to form a ring structures and rings. It's going to be form a rings also. That is when comes to that it's going to form a straight chain, branch chain and the closed chains also. There's catenation andre that is statement of the catenation is a tendency of an element to form a chain of identical elements. Chain of identical elements is called as a catenation. This is the statement of the catenation. This is going to be form a straight chain. That is the carbon is going to be form a carbon straight chain. Straight chain form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Straight chain ಮತ್ತೆ branch chain form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರ branch chain form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ this branch chain. ಅದೇ ತರ it's going to be form a ring chain also. That is ring chain. Then it's going to be form a 4 atoms ring, 5 atoms ring, 6 atoms ring, 7 atoms ring. Like this is going to be form a ring structure. So this also gives the ring structure due to the having the carbon having the property that is catenation. ಅದೇ ಜರ್ಮೇನಿಯಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಟೂ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಚೈನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಜರ್ಮೇನಿಯಮ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಚೈನ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಚೈನ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. Therefore it's then it's having that the carbon only having this unique property, that is catenation. This about the catenation. Next we are going to be discussing about the shapes of that is any compounds.